Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to boost your FPS on Monster Hunter Wilds and fix the performance issues like optimization and stutter. So first of all, you need to download a mod called Reframework. Now this will basically let you get your frames back, allow you to use mods, able to adjust FOV, and as well as fix some ultra wide mode. Just you want to make sure to create a free account on this website nexusmods.com. I'm going to leave the link in the description for you to go here. Now after this, you also want to go ahead to your graphics settings and just make sure that click here on advanced settings, and you want to make sure that hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is turned on. This will help you improve your game performance and reduce latency. Now, if this is all turned on, you want to go back to the browser. So you want to go ahead and download DLSS Swapper. It will swap old version of DLSS Monster Hunter Wilds shipped with more updated version. So you're gonna go here, click right there, and you're just gonna go ahead and install it. And also you need to go ahead and install NVPI Revamped. This is for NVIDIA. You're gonna go ahead and download it. Now you will have all of these files. So first of all, you want to go ahead and open DLSS Swapper program. You want to go ahead and install it first. Just go ahead through all of this setup. Now we want to go ahead and open this application. Now from here, you want to go ahead and choose Monster Hunter Wilds. If it's loading just like so, you need to wait a little bit for it to load. And as you can see, now it's here. We need to install now 4 different types of DLSS. So on DLSS tab, you want to go ahead and download this one. Just click here, swap. After that, on DLSS frame generation, you want to go ahead and download the latest version. So this one, swap. Now on DirectX 12, you again want to go ahead and download this one. This is the latest version, and swap it. Now, if you have an option to download a Vulkan one, you want to do that. It's not fun for me, so I'm going to do instead this one. So I'm going to install the latest version, just like so. Now, you also want to make sure that your installation path is right there, right here on Monster Hunter Wilds, where it is exe file. Just make sure it's on here. Now, you want to go ahead and extract NVPI folder. Just go ahead and extract all. Now on here, go at the top there, and you want to find NVIDIA Profile Inspector exe file. So you want to go ahead and run it. Now, if you don't have it, you may need to install the Windows runtime. Now, once this will open up, you want to go ahead and open the profiles. And on profiles, you want to find Monster Hunter Wilds. So you can just go ahead and write down Monster Hunter Wilds and you will find it here. Now, if you don't see Monster Hunter Wilds, not beta, but Monster Hunter Wilds.exe file, you need to add it. So let's do it together. You need to click Add Application to Current Profile. And then you want to go to your Steam games, then Steam Apps, Common, and Monster Hunter Wilds. And here is that exe file. You want to go ahead and add it. And here it is now. Now, from here, we need to change a few things. So first of all, you need to find FG latest DLL. You want to make sure that it is turned on. So just go ahead and choose on. Now on SR preset, here it is. You want to go ahead and choose preset K. So this one, just like so. And after you've changed those settings, you want to click apply the changes, and that's it. It should significantly boost your FPS, but if it doesn't do that, you want to go ahead and press Ctrl Alt Delete. This will basically open up your task manager. You want to choose task manager. Now you want to go to details, and you want to go ahead and find Monster Hunter Wilds exe file. So in order for this to work, it needs to be turned on. Then you're going to find the exe file of Monster Hunter Wilds, and you want to go ahead and set priority to high. Make sure to do this. Now see if the problem was fixed. If not, now you want to go on Steam on Monster Hunter Wilds, and here you will see high resolution texture pack. You just want to make sure to disable it if you already installed it. Now you want to go ahead and open up in-game settings, and in-game, I'm just going to show you my screenshots. So you want to go ahead and turn off ray tracing, or at least make it low. Texture quality, you want to make sure it's low, and texture filtering quality is also on low. Then you want to go ahead and choose mesh quality, so you want to make it a high or medium. And you also want to go ahead here on these display graphic settings, you want to turn off motion blur. Make sure it is turned off, and also this effect is also needs to be turned off. Now the last thing to try is install lossless scaling. It costs, as you can see, not much, but basically this program adds a frame generation for your game, so you could have the smoothest game possible. So I really suggest you to go ahead and buy this and use this with Monster Hunter Wilds. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.